Hello, welcome to another video by Moxie Marine. This video is kind of a follow-up to a previous video where I was assembling this LS engine. This is a LC9 aluminum block engine I'm converting to an LS6, and it's going to go in a boat. So at the stage this engine is now, I have I have 4 pistons in, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I was about to do the 5th piston in the back corner when I discovered that my rod was damaged beyond repair. So, and since those rods were a match set or a set, and I can't find another rod like it, I decided to go ahead and update my customer's engine to what's called LS6 pistons. These are floating pistons. These are what's called Gen 4 rods, and the pistons are put on, the wrist pin slides in. You see a little metal clip in there, right there. And the wrist pin slides in without any heat. If you've done some of my videos, I use heat to put the pistons on. Well, these don't require heat. They just slide in. These are, in my opinion, superior. So these are what's called floating pistons and rods, and Gen 4 rods, and these are a better quality rod, better quality piston, so my customers get a better engine. But before I do that, or before I can proceed, I've got to take these old pistons out. And this engine's been sitting up for probably close to a month now, so it's been collecting dust in my shop. So I'm gonna go ahead and disassemble the entire engine, wash it all over again, and start from scratch. And I'll show you the build from that process on. So basically I'm having to start over on this engine. There's probably some dirt and airborne debris that got inside of it, and I don't want to take any chances on it having dirt inside this engine. I like to try to build clean engines. And usually when I build an engine like this, I get it to a point where I can tape over it like this and seal it up, and dirt can't get inside of it. And that's why this is what you see there. But in this case, it's been sitting open on the bottom, so it's probably got some dirt in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and rebuild it, or start over, strip this back down, clean it, wash it out with soap and water, and then start over from scratch. Okay, this block is now completely stripped down back to everything out of it, back to its bare minimum, and it's ready for cleaning. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clean it. It's gotten late today, but I'm gonna clean it tomorrow. I use Shout. It's a great degreaser. Hope it doesn't, I don't think it hurts the environment, but I'm gonna spray it down with Shout, wash it again, get all the oil out of the patches. I may have to use some acetone in certain areas where I used Permatex gasket sealer, aviation gasket sealer on some of the plugs, and it left residue, so I'll clean that up with acetone. I use a gun cleaning kit, and I run a cleaner down the bores, and spray it with soap and run a cleaner down the bores on every oil passage. So this box should be cleaned up by tomorrow and then ready for reassembly.